Hey guys, what's up? RJ here. So today in this video we are going to be talking about the huge change that is made in Clickfunnels, because in few days, day before yesterday, there was a live in Clickfunnels group that the changes that are made in Clickfunnels, especially in Clickfunnels affiliate program. So there are many changes out there that are made in 2 days only. So we are going to be finding out what are those changes that are made in Clickfunnels affiliate program especially. So what you need to do is, the first step is that you need to reapply on whatsyourdreamcar.com. Whether you are a super affiliate, whether you have 100 affiliates or 200, or you're starting out, you need to reapply on whatsyourdreamcar.com. There is an application form on it. You need to fill in the form. I will show you in this video the form and the steps that you need to do on it as we go further. So doesn't matter on which stage are you on right now, you need to reapply on whatsyourdreamcar.com. I also put the link in the description down below, but this is very important to do. Okay, the way they are changing their affiliate program, you need to reapply. So you need to reapply for the whatsyourdreamcar.com. That's the first step. The second thing is that affiliate badge will have only 20% commission now. Earlier in the Clickfunnels affiliate program, the affiliate badge, this badge right here, had 40% commission in Clickfunnels affiliate program, but now this affiliate badge will going to be having 20% commission in affiliate programs only. So that you can see that this badge is on the bottom right of any funnel that is made in Clickfunnels. You can simply hide it or show it, because if you have showing this affiliate badge and someone clicks on it and creates Clickfunnels account, you will get yourself 20% commission. Basically that is on $97 per month. If someone gets through your link, you will get $19.40 per month commission on that plan. And if someone signs up on Clickfunnels on $297 per month, you will get $59.40 per month commission in Clickfunnels due to this affiliate badge. Okay, you will getting 20% commission over it. The next thing that changed was, if you have less than 40 affiliates, you will get 30% commission over it. So what is meant by that? If you are having 39 affiliate in your Clickfunnels account, you will be getting 30% commission over it. In that sense, this works in that way is that the previous affiliate that you have in your Clickfunnels account, you will get 40% out of them, but the new affiliates you are getting, you will get 30% out of them, because if you haven't crossed 40 affiliates yet. So that's what the difference is all about. So if you haven't have 40 affiliates, you will get 30% commission, and if you have 40 or more than 40 affiliates, you will get 40% or more commission. The next thing that changed was, in the recent live, it was stated that you need to make a minimum of $100 by Halloween until October 31st. So if you are an affiliate and you haven't made any money so far with the Clickfunnels affiliate program, this is a wake-up call for you, because you need to make yourself $100 until 31st October. The main thing that they have changed all of this stuff is to make it more compliant, because many people create the affiliate account but don't intend to promote it, but simply they have their own dashboard and don't promoting it. So it's a wake-up call for all of those. You can simply earn $100 by selling one funnel away challenge. You can get $100 until 31st of October. So you need to make it. Otherwise, if you don't able to make a minimum of $100 until October 31st, then you will have the affiliate rights for the affiliate badge only, the badge that I've shown you in the previous slide. You can simply promote only that affiliate badge, and that will be available in only that sense if you are using Clickfunnels. Because if you are not using Clickfunnels as a software, then you will not have an affiliate badge also, because affiliate badge you can promote if you are creating funnels in Clickfunnels account. Then if you are an affiliate, you will not be able to promote it either. So this was the badge. on which you will get 20% commission over it. Other than this, you need to make sure you need to get yourself registered to Tipalti. So what Tipalti is? Tipalti is basically a payment service provider through which you get payout using Clickfunnels affiliate program. Okay, so how you can get yourself registered to Tipalti is the people who've crossed $100 as a minimum commission. Support team, Clickfunnels support team send you the mail to register yourself for Tipalti, set your payment system, how you get paid out through wire transfer or PayPal or ACH, and they get yourself paid. Okay. Other than this, if you haven't crossed $100 within the time frame that I've told you, 31st October, no matter what amount you have, they will send you that amount from Tipalti, like $50 or $60, but then you will the rights to promote affiliate badge only. So this is the huge change that is made. Other than this, let's talk about tier 2 commission. So on tier 2 commission, if you don't know what tier 2 commission is, for example, A person and a B person and a C person. If B person signs up to the affiliate link from A person is affiliate, like B person have signed up through his affiliate link. Okay, so A person is getting $38 if it's on $97 per month plan. Now if C person signs up for Clickfunnels through B person's affiliate link, B1 will getting $38, but A1 will be getting 5 point something dollars because of the tier 2 commission. Okay, for the tier 2 commission, there are still huge changes that are made in Clickfunnels right now. The first change is that for those who are registered as affiliates before July 1st will be getting tier 2 commission. So if you have created your Clickfunnels account or your affiliate account before July 1st, only then you will be able to get yourself the tier 2 commission. Sometimes tier 2 commission is also a great thing because you're promoting and your clients are promoting as well, you're getting yourself the incentive as well. So tier 2 commission is sometimes good, totally passive income, but you need to get yourself registered, because if you haven't registered before July 1st, that the date is gone, then you will not getting the tier 2 commission. Okay, the other thing is that you need to keep in mind is that no additional tier 2 affiliates after November 30th. So what is meant by that is that you will not get any tier 2 affiliate commission, not any tier 2 affiliate after November 30th. So what is meant by that is from today is almost, I don't know clearly the date. So from today, if you see, if your clients are getting himself the affiliate, and you will get the tier 2 commissions, and after November 30th, even though your client is getting himself the affiliates, now the new affiliates after November 30th, he will be getting himself the commission of the tier 1, but you will not get the new client's affiliate commission to you as a tier 2. You will get the previous commission of the previous clients that are in the tier 2 affiliate before November 30th. So there are like multiple changes that are made in Clickfunnels. So other than this, that's like pretty much it, the changes that are made. So there are few like huge changes that are made in Clickfunnels affiliate program in 2 to 3 days. So it was huge. Other than this, the thing that I needed to show you was the form. So here will be an application form. Let us refresh the page. Here will be an application form, whatsyourdreamcar.com, and you will need to reapply for it. Okay, once you reapply for it, fill out my online form, and then you need to reapply on the form. So here's the form. You need to fill the first name, last name, use the email address that you've created your Clickfunnels account or your affiliate dashboard, and also your phone number, and then the mailing address, city, your address. Make sure to enter that affiliate ID. If you are a current affiliate, use that exact same ID that you have in your affiliate dashboard. Okay, so you need to use the same affiliate ID over here. Your t-shirt size, are you a Clickfunnels customer or not? If you have Clickfunnels account, then you are a Clickfunnels customer. Facebook URL, Instagram, YouTube, your following, and how the Clickfunnels will be good fit for you and your following. and all of that. You need to simply answer the few questions, like 3 steps questions, and once it's done, they will get back to you in 2 to 3 days, because the support team will send you the message that your application form is sent, and it will we will get back to you as soon as possible, and they will get back to you as you are approved or not. In most cases they will approve you depending upon the way that you have answered the questions, but still it's a good way that Clickfunnels are clearing out those people who are not interested in Clickfunnels affiliate program and simply having their dashboard and haven't promoted it. So it will be cleared out many people out there, and many people got a new chance to promote Clickfunnels in a better way. So that's pretty much it guys for today. I just wanted to let you know about the changes that are made in Clickfunnels. Other than this, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Other than this, I will put the link in the description below, and until then, subscribe for more. Until then, peace out.